The name Radha suggests and it means that she is eternally the topmost mistress of the comforts of Krishna. She is the medium for transmitting the living entity's service to Sri Krishna. That's why it's explained that Radharani, the halo of Radharani, the aura of Radharani, the energy of Radharani is Shraddha, faith. So if there's no faith, how can there be service? So it's explained that she is the medium. So faith, when one has faith, one is under the shelter of Radharani. Faith in Krishna means he's under the Ladini Shakti, Daivi Shakti. In the Bhagavad Gita it says, Daivi Yesha, what is it, that verse? Daivi Mahatmanas Timam Partha, Daivam Prakritam Ashrita. To take shelter of Daivi Prakriti means to take shelter of Radharani. To take shelter of Radharani, it means to have faith. To have faith means to be in the aura of Radharani, to be under the protective aura or halo of Radharani. And then she will take that faith and turn it into prema. She will take that service and purify it and carry it to Krishna. She is the medium for transmitting our service to Krishna.